The issue of human rights is a sensitive subject world over. However, while significant progress has been made in some developed countries in addressing human rights issues, a lot of work still needs to be done in Africa, particularly because of the cultural diversity of the continent. In 2004, the African Union gave birth to the African Court on Human and People's Rights to ensure the protection of human and people's rights in Africa, complementing and reinforcing the functions of the African Commission on Human and People's Rights. However, to date, 30 out of 55 member states have ratified the protocol which established formation of the court, and only 9 states have made declaration recognizing the competence of the court to receive cases from NGOs and individuals. Zimbabwe is yet to ratify the protocol.
I think basically there were certain issues within the charter that the majority of African countries were unhappy with, and as you rightly said, only 30 out of 55 have ratified and 9 have signed declarations. I think one of the issues was the issue of direct access by citizens to the court, and that is one of the issues that was contentious, and states felt that the local remedies must always be exhausted before you approach the court, and I believe that that is now being attended to, and once that is attended to, the majority of African countries will ratify. I think it's a process. We are considering it, and I hopefully in the not so distant future we have ratified it. We took the delegation to the president. We agreed that we move along with other African states in ratifying this charter.
After meeting President Mnangagwa, the African Court and People's Rights boss said they had positive discussions.
What I say is that we have a fruitful discussion, and we hope that in the near future the process will come to reach that ratification, but it's a sovereign decision of the government. We just come to remind the president, and we know that he has a good interest, the best interest for the human rights, for the protection of human rights.
If Zimbabwe ratifies the protocol, the Southern African country can nominate an individual to be elected as one of the 11 judges in the court. But the African Union still has a lot of work to do in getting African communities to know of the existence of this court and its advantages. Taku Chihambakwe for ZTN News in Harare.